Jai Shri Gurudev. So my dear students, in last class we already discussed about some properties and also formulas related to the trigonometrics. Okay, trigonometric functions. So already yesterday in last class we already discussed cos 2x formulas. No. Now, so I will explain what is sin 2x. Very important. So prove that. Question number 15, property number 15, formula number 15. Okay. Prove that sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x is equals to 2 tan x divided by. So sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x is equals to another formula 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay na? So in terms of tan, it is in terms of sin and cos this is. Okay. So how to prove this one? See. Okay na? So my dear students, how to prove this one? So let us discuss. This is sin 2x. So we know one formula now. Proof. See. Proof. We know that sin x plus y, sin x plus y formula. Sin x plus y formula. What is the sin x plus y formula? Tell me. Sin x cos y, sin x cos y, okay, plus बरेगा, okay ना, sin बंद, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, okay, cos x sin y. So this is the formula, okay ना. So sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So this is the formula. One formula is there. Next, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ substitute y is equals to x substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Put y is equals to x. Put y is equals to x. So y plus okay, x and substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So sin x plus x. Sin x plus x is equals to y plus x is equals to sin x into cos y. Cos y ಅಂದರೆ cos x plus cos x into sin y. Sin y ಅಂದರೆ sin x. So cos x. Okay na? So you observe ಮಾಡಿದನ sin x cos x sin x cos x. Cos x is first. Sin x cos x. Two times is there now sin x cos x sin x cos x. So you can write it as 2 sin x cos x. My dear students. So therefore 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. So this is the first formula derivation. Just easy sin x plus x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sin x plus x will become sin x. First one is over. Okay na? Just easy first one is over. Next we'll move to the second one. Okay. Second one is here sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x into 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So by using this formula, use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Second one ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? We know that okay, sin 2x is equals to take this formula 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so whole divided by 1 ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೇನೋ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so let us take see I will do here. So sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x whole divided by 1 అంటే నా 1 ప్లస్ ఏం బరీనా sin square x plus cos square x బరీనా అని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ దేర్, దట్ ఇస్ sin square x plus cos square x is equals to ఏం ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ and denominator divided by cos square x ಮಾಡೋಣ. divided by, so numerator and denominator divided by cos square x cos square x divide ಮಾಡೋಣ. so is equals to sin 2x ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. so 2 sin x cos x whole divided by cos square x whole divided by sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x divided by cos square x divided by cos square x. Okay, cos square x cancel. So one cos cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, one cos cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, see, so one cos cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, one cancel another cos is there. Sin by cos is what? Tan. So therefore 2 tan x. So sin by cos tan, 2 tan x divided by sin square by cos square is what? Tan square x. So divided by tan square x plus 1. Cos square x by cos square. So 1 plus tan square. 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Gotta? Very easy problem. Nodra ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So like that you have to simplify the you have to derive these are some formulas and also properties ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? sin 2x formula in terms of sin and cos, in terms of tan. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ cos square x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. tan square x plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, 1 plus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ we have to simplify my dear students. So I have to do like this. Next question. See my dear students, see next question number 16. Okay, property number 16. So prove that tan 2x sin 2x is over, cos 2x is over, tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so sin 2x ಆದರೆ 1 plus ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು, minus ಬಂದರೆ tan 2x. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, how to remember. So that is very important. Okay, formulas are very important as well as the proof. Formulas important. Next proof. We know that tan x plus y formula already derived in last class. See, tan x plus y is equals to, tell me what is the formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So this is the formula. So tan x plus y is equals to what? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is the formula already derived in last class. Okay. Next, put y is equals to x. Put y plus 1 x substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Tell me, tan x plus x y plus 1 x is equals to, so tan x plus tan y ಅಲ್ವಾ, tan y plus ಮತ್ತೆ tan x, why? Because y plus 1 x, tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan x y plus 1 ಮತ್ತೆ x. So like that we have to simplify. Okay na? So I will simplify, I will write here. So tan x plus x is what? Tan x plus x 2x. Okay, tan 2x is equals to tan x plus tan x is equals to what? 2 tan x divided by, okay, so 1 minus tan x into tan square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan x into tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x is again. So very easy, simple also. Okay, lengthy illa, very easy. If you know this formula well means it is very easy. So tell me another time, what is the formula for tan 2x? Tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay na? 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, my dear students. Okay, like that you have to simplify. Next we will move to the next concept. Next 17. Prove that sin 3x, now 3x related questions. Okay, sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. I had to by heart ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this technique we had to by heart. ಎಲ್ಲ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ. sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay na? Sin 3x proof. Sin 3x is equals to, okay, so one formula is there. Sin 3x now 2x plus x ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Okay, so therefore sin 2x plus x ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? sin 2x plus x. So it is in the form of sin x plus y. X ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ y ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. So x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. So what is the formula for sin x plus y? Sin x cos y. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬರೆಯೋದು. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಏನಿದೆ 2x sin x cos y means x cos x plus ಓಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ cos ಫಸ್ಟ್ cos x means cos 2x sin y means sin x. Like that we have to simplify, my dear students. Now simplify it. Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sin 3 LHS ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. LHS ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? RHS ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. is equals to sin 2x formula is there now. Sin 2x formula already derived. Okay, what is that? 2 sin x cos x formula. So sin 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 sin x cos x into cos x plus okay cos 2x already formula derived now. In terms of sin formula ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. In terms of sin formula ಯಾವ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 sin square x. So ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cos 2x ಗೆ in terms of sin formula. cos in terms of cos formula ಯಾವ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square x minus 1 is there. Learn previous videos are there. Please watch that. Okay. Into sin x. Now simplify again. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. sin 2x ನ cos 2x ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ see 2 ನೇ sin x okay sin x cos x into cos x is what? cos square x plus okay now multiply it 1 into sin x minus 2 into sin square x into sin x sin cube x so 2 sin cube x over okay next ಇನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ all are in sin only ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. if you observe this one all terms are in sin only RHS but sin ಇದೆ into sin ಇದೆ but this is cos square x is there. You have to change. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. how to change cos square x into the sin? One formula is there. What is that? cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x. One formula is there now. Substitute. So 2 sin x into 1 minus sin square x 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Okay, and now simplify again. So 2 sin x into 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin square x 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Over here ನೋಡಿ 2 sin x plus sin x 1 sin x is what? 3 sin x. So therefore 3 sin x minus 3 sin x minus 2 same sin cube x minus 2 is what? minus 4 so minus 4 add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು okay minus 4 sin cube x ಬಂತ. So therefore it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is somewhat difficult and easy there. This is one of the important question for the main examination. See my dear students, formula also very important. By heart use money. Okay. So idin by heart madbekante. With technique you have to learn. Okay. My dear students, don't by heart. Formula by heart madi. Okay. Okay. So therefore sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin 2x. This is one of the important formula as well as the proof today important day. So my dear students, don't neglect. So next we'll move to the next concept. See my dear students, next 18th one. See 18th. Okay. So prove that cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. Okay. So let us take LHS. cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? cos 2x plus x ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? okay ನಾವು simplify it. cos 2x plus x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? formula is there now. cos 2x plus x is equals to one formula is there. What is that? Cos x plus y. It is in the form of cos x plus y. So x and y and x plus y. Cos x plus y. Cos x plus y is equal to what? Cos x cos y minus bರ್ತದೆ minus sin x sin y ಬರ್ತದೆ. Cos x means cos 2x. Cos x cos y. Okay. Minus sin x sin 2x into sin x. Okay. So ee tara. Now simplify. Cos 2x formula is there, sin 2x formula is there. Write down. So cos 2x formula ಯಾವುದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in terms of cos ಇದಲ್ಲ, in terms of cos. So we have to use that one in terms of cos. What is that? Okay. 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x into sin x. Okay, sin x sin 2x one formula is there now. 2 sin x cos x very familiar now. Okay, you have to write that one. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now simplify. 2 cos square x into cos x what? 2 cos cubed x. 2 cos cubed x minus 1 into cos x minus. So 2 again 2 cos x write down same into sin x is what? Sin square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square x. Okay, if you observe this one, cos related, this is only sin related. You have to convert sin square x into the cos square x. So ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? See, so sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x formula is there now. So therefore 2 cos cubed x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x. Now simplify button. So 2 cos cubed x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into 1, 2 cos x minus 2 cos x minus what? Plus minus into minus plus 2 cos x into cos square x. 2 cos cubed x. So 2 cos cubed x. Next, let's see. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 cos cubed x ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 2 cos cubed x plus 2 cos cubed x is what? 4 cos cubed x. 4 cos cubed x minus 1 cos x minus 2 cos x is what? Minus 3 cos x. So this is the answer. 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x. So therefore cos 3x is equals to 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x. So this is the answer. Okay, my dear students. So very important one. Okay. See my dear students, you have to learn these things. First sin 2x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, tan 2x. First you have to learn with the technique. Formulas are very important my dear students. Sin 2x ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 sin x cos x, otherwise 2 tan x. 2 tan x ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರೋ tan x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. tan x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sin square x. ಅದೇ cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ cos 2x ಗೆ in terms of sin and cos square x minus sin square x. In terms of sin only is one formula is there, 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos only ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ, 2 cos square x minus 1 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯೂಸ್. In terms of tan only ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ cos 2x. what is that? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Lastly, what is that? Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ tan 2x, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ sin 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗುರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗುರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ವಿತ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗುರ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗುರ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಈಗ ಕಾಸ್ 3x 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x. Previous one sin 3x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಓಕೆ 4 sin cube x. So and tan 3x also there. In next video I will do that one. Okay my dear friends, if you have any doubt means you can ask through WhatsApp group, otherwise comment below this video. If you like this video means please share and subscribe to your friends, okay, and also your relatives. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.